Very
Sir.
important concept about the castling. Yes, who is that?
Hello. Sir.
Yes, yes, Dev.
Sir, wish you happy Guru Purnima.
Yes, thank you very much. All of you, God bless you, dear. Guru Purnima. Many of you might not be knowing that one of your colleague over here, Sia Puri, she is featuring in one Cadbury ad. कोणती ad ग?
Bounce biscuit.
Bounce biscuit ad. So I will share her ad in our group. All of you please watch her ad very nicely. She has acted very good. Sia मस्त काम केलंस.
Thank you, sir.
mention this list ad मध्ये. That
Thank
ad
you.
has started coming on TV वर येते का आता?
ना डिजिटल आहे.
अजून तरी डिजिटल आहे. बरं बरं. पण मी सगळ्यांना I will share that ad with you. And she is already acting in one TV serial, that is Swamini, Marathi TV serial. Swamini. So she is our star kid. One minute. सिया जरा नीट थोडीशी जरा लेफ्ट ला हो. मागणं खूप प्रकाश येतोय. हा, कारण माझ्या आईला
हा
पण
सर एक मिनिट.
हा, माझ्या
एक
आईला
मिनिट,
पण
सर.
येतोय.
येस सर.
हा हा, दिसली का आई? हा, सिया बोल काहीतरी.
हॅलो.
हा हा, तू बोल.
हॅपी गुरु पौर्णिमा.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच. तू बोलतेस की तू स्क्रीनवर येतेस ना? हा, ठीक आहे. Okay, so we will start with our castling session, castling learning. Okay. Your notebooks are ready, because this is one of the most important things you have to learn. Please mute your microphones, all of you. What is castling basically? Castling means a process where king moves into a castle. That is we call castling. Simple. जो castle में जाता है, castling. Now, you imagine a situation where actual kingdoms were there that time. If an enemy attacks a kingdom, usually these attacks were used to be on the capital, where his main castle is used to be. So if that particular time king is out of his castle for doing something for his subjects, and if he hear the news, what he will do? The best defense system is always available inside the castle. So when the enemy comes, it is easy for him to defend himself. So he has to go inside the castle, make preparation, and then wait for the enemy to come and then defend himself. That is the process. That used to be the process. So similarly in chess also, when your king is attacked, so usually king is over here, right, in the center. King is in the center. So here attack can come from this side, or this side, this side, or this side. So from everywhere, this is little equidistance. Equidistance. So king is very much vulnerable, or I would say easy target. It becomes an easy target when king is over here in the center. So what king does is usually he forms this kind of position. Now these three pawns, they act as a wall, then this rook also out of its original position, and all this they are there no, for um, whatever sort of assault comes, whatever enemy attacks, they are there for defending. Since it is in corner, this corner, these pieces will have difficulty to attack over here, long attack, very difficult. And these pieces cannot attack since his king is also this side. So this is little difficult to attack this particular situation. I am playing chess for so many years, and one may feel that you can simply develop this way and attack on this, but it is rather very difficult. I have found myself. Not that you cannot do it, you can, but you require a lot of thinking is required. A lot of planning is required for um, to sabotage this formidable position, or in simple word, to break this position. So this position is very good. In fact, the other way also, this side also, you can do the castling. This is a position usually you have. So this is difficult to break for the opponent. So king coming to this position is called as castling. And there are certain rules and regulations for this castling purpose. And we are going to learn those rules and regulations. You keep your notebook ready and you have to note them down, because after noting it and after understanding it, we are going to have some drills for castling purpose, and that time every answer should be right. So before moving to the drill section, first you learn, okay, what is how the castling is made, process of doing the castling and do's and don'ts of the castling. Okay. Now number one rule for the castling. No, before that I will tell you how the castling is made. Castling is done by moving your king 2 steps left or right. 2 steps, I say. King moves only 1 step. But here in castling, king is allowed to move 2 steps. And only horizontal or a slipping way, not the vertical one. Standing way nahi hai, ya, this way also not possible. Only this way is possible. 2 steps. And king moves 2 steps and rook simultaneously in the same move, rook jumps over here and come over here, and the castling is completed. So this is the exact position of the castling. You can do in only one single move. King moves over here and rook comes over here. This is what is castling. You understood? Okay, now rule number, we will start learning rule. There are, I think, 7 rules. You can note them down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Number 1 rule. There should not be anybody between king and queen, rook. Castling is done with only king, rook and king, no other pieces. So these 2 squares, or here in this case, these 3 squares should be empty. Nobody should be there. Then only you can do the castling. Number 1 rule. Number 2. King should not have been moved earlier in the game. Means आप आपका गेम खेल रहे हैं, कुछ भी पोजीशन है, बीच में आपका किंग यहाँ पर आ गया और वापस वो यहाँ पर भी आ गया. So you will say that king is in its original place, but no, it has already moved. So if king is moved even once during the game, opportunity for the king to castle himself is gone. King cannot castle. Rule number 2. Rule number 3. Even these rooks also should be in their original place and should not have been moved earlier in the game. Similarly, means you have moved this it came over here, did something, again it came back, and again now it is in original position. This is not there, this is not there. And you will say that now I am going to castle. No, with this rook, castling is gone. You cannot do castling with this rook since it has moved earlier in the game. But opportunity to castle with this rook is still there. Because this rook has not moved, this king has not moved. Okay. Next rule. King should not be under attack when it goes for castling. Now you already know that what is check. This is a check. Sorry. What happened? What I did?
सर क्रॉस पे दबाओ उधर राइट में एक क्रॉस है
This
सर
one?
राइट नो सर इन द एंड राइट
This?
नहीं सर उधर
Sir, under those 3 dots.
अच्छा, 3 dots.
नहीं उसके बाजू में सर
That beside that. Beside the 3 dots.
सर इन द लास्ट वन
Yes.
हाँ
Okay. So this is the check, right? Now when check, this is not here, this is here. When the check is there and you will feel now the attack has come, I will do the castling. No. When king is under attack, you cannot castle. What you can do is, maximum you can first refute the attack or stop the check. Next, whatever black moves, now you can castle. Okay, so king should not be under attack for castling. Next rule. Not only king, but king travels through this. Okay, or king travels through this. So these traveling squares 1 and 2, 1 and 2 should not be under attack also. I will give you the example. Now look at the board. Now queen is attacking this square. It is not a direct attack on king, but it is attacking this square. That means if white's move is there and white wants to castle the king is going through the attack. एक इमेजिन करो यहां से उसने मशीन गन लगाई है और ये मशीन गन से गोली मार रहा है और किंग अगर यहां से ही जाएगा तो उसको गोली लगेगी. सिंपल. रिद्धि एनी प्रॉब्लम बेटा? रिद्धि एनी प्रॉब्लम?
लगा दो स्क्रीन पे लगाने.
But
क्या है मिस
I miss
all rules.
Don't worry. I have recorded all things. I have already started recording. I will send this. I will summarize also again. Don't worry. I know this is a very important section.
Recording થાય છે ને
Recording will
પછી
be,
લખી
yeah, recording will be there and I will summarize. So here queen is bombarding this particular square where king is going to travel for castling. So in such case, king is not allowed to travel or do the castling. Otherwise, he will get injury or he will die. But this particular side, king can castle because there is no attack on king, no attack on these or these squares. King should not be attacked and the traveling square also should not be under attack. That means everything should be safe. When king is going in the castle, that route should be safe. पहले राजा के जमाने में पहले राजा तो भेजता था ना उसके सब सैनिक को आगे जाके देखो सब रास्ता साफ है क्या, कोई है तो नहीं वहां पर, तो वो रास्ता साफ करेंगे सैनिक और उसके पास आएंगे बोलेंगे महाराज आप चलो अभी कोई इशू नहीं है, वहां पर कोई टाइगर बेगर कोई नहीं है छुपा हुआ, आप चल सकते हैं. So that is the same thing over here. You should see that your route is safe. अभी आपने पंतप्रधान या चीफ मिनिस्टर कोई आते हैं अपने थाना में, तो सब जगह पुलिस बंदोबस्त होता है। क्यों होता है? उनका रूट सेफ करते हैं ना वो लोग, कोई गुंडा उनके ऊपर अटैक ना करे इसके लिए, या कोई टेररिस्ट उनके ऊपर अटैक ना करे। सो दैट इज द सेम थिंग हियर, दिस रूट शुड बी सेफ। So I think I have covered all the rules. I will summarize. 1. King should not be moved from original place. 2. Rook should not be moved from the original place. 3. All squares should be empty. All squares in for castling should be empty. 4. King should not be under check or attack. 5. The squares where the king is traveling should also be safe. So 5 rules I have told you. Now there are 2 more rules. Once you stop writing, I will tell you.
Sir, can you repeat the 5th rule?
5th rule is, अरे यार क्या बोला मैंने? The route should be safe where the king is traveling. King should not be moved, rook should not be moved, squares empty, king should not be under check, and the squares where he is traveling should not be under attack. 5 rules.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Sir, I came just now.
Don't worry, don't worry. I have already recorded. You will get the recording. You continue from here. Don't worry.
Okay.
So, there is a 6th rule, very, very important, this rule. Castling is to be done only with one hand. Your playing hand, you cannot use your both the hands in castling. नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे कि मुझे 2 पीसेस को उठाना है, तो एक हाथ से मैं किंग को उठाऊंगा, दूसरे हाथ से रूक को उठाऊंगा और कैसलिंग करूंगा. इट इज नॉट अलाउड. इफ यू डू so, it is illegal. You have to use only one hand, playing hand, any left or right. और ऐसा नहीं है कि you are using right hand previously and now you are using left hand. That is okay, but one hand only at a time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So happy Guru Purnima.
Thank you very much. God bless you, my dear child. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, single hand use for both the pieces. That means you may find that there are 2 moves, but no, it is termed as only one move. Here you have to lift your, say you are playing with right hand. So another rule also is there, 7th rule, you have to touch king first. You are not allowed to touch rook first when you are doing castling. ऐसा होगा क्या, मैंने अगर रूक को टच किया तो रूक कैन कम इंडिविजुअली 2 squares, no issues, or rook can come 3 squares, no issues. So it will be termed as you want to move the rook. But when you move your king directly 2 steps, it implies, it says that you want to do the castling. So when you are playing online or with the computer, when you move your king 2 steps, automatically this rook comes over here. Okay, so that is a program. But when you play physical with somebody, you have to move the rook also. So first hold the king, move it to 2 squares. Then with the same hand, you move the rook to the side and the castling is completed. Any of this process, somewhere you make it wrong. You touched your rook earlier or you moved your king 1 step only. And then you said, no, I want to castle, so I want to go over here. That is also not allowed. That this says that you are moving your king only 1 step. Nowhere it is that you want to castle. How you can say? How you can prove you want to castle? This side also 2 steps, and rook will come here 3 steps. जब मैं बचपन में खेलता था तब मुझे ऐसा सिखाया गया था कि you have option of doing this or even this also. It all depends, but no, that is not the rule. Rule is very clear. King can move only 2 steps, and only once in any game. Only once. You cannot revert back. अभी मुझे नहीं reverse जाना है. अभी undo करता हूँ. So undo is not allowed over here. You understood the rules very clearly, I hope, so that we will go for drills. Prithvi, you will understand during the drill all the rules.
सर
Yes.
सर इराचे बाबा बोलतोय.
हो बोला.
तर पहिले तर गुरुपौर्णिमेच्या शुभेच्छा
Thank you.
माझ्याकडून इराकडून.
Yes.
आणि सेकंड मला विचारायचं होतं की ड्युरिंग suppose the position of the pawn should be that 3 positions only.
No.
We cannot.
No. Position of the pawn is irrelevant.
So even if pawns are not there, we can do
These
it.
pawns are not there at all. Still you can do the castling.
Okay. And second, if the rook is under attack, that time we can do the castling.
Yes. I have explicitly said king and king's root.
Okay.
King and king's root.
And म्हणजे when I was playing chess earlier, matlab not learnt anywhere, but that one rule was that if the king has received the check, then he cannot castle.
No,
Is that it is not right?
That is Andhashraddha. That is
Okay.
Such rules were there. I know that I have also played with such rules, but later on I found that there is a site FIDE, FIDA, International Chess Federation site. All rules are very clearly given on that site. You cannot deviate from those rules.
Okay.
So really interested, you can simply download those. But I am telling you all the rules. No issues about that. Those rules written over there might have many difficult words because all legal words are used.
Okay.
It will be difficult to understand then. But these are the rules clearly. And then when we do the drills, all concepts will be clear during the drills.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are going for drills. Yeah, you're welcome. We are going for the drills.
So one more question.
Yes.
So it is not compulsory to do castling, no?
It is not at all compulsory.
Okay.
Because it all depends on the situation over the board. If situation requires no castling is to be done, you can choose that. No issues. So let us go with
only
drills. Yeah. It is a purview of the player who is playing.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Here, first question: can white castle?
Sir,
Yes, Riddhi.
Guru Purnima.
Yes, thank you very much. Now here, one thing which I forgot to tell you is that when king travels this side, there are 3 squares. Okay. And here it is 2 squares. So when king goes this way, it is called as long castle. In chess language, it is called as long castle. And when king moves to a shorter distance, it is called as short castle. So only long and short are the word used. And one more thing, that is chess notation. You can see here 2 0 zeros and 1 dash. or 3 zeros and 2 dashes. Can everybody see this? So this is the notation. This is the notation how we write on the in the notebook when there are 2 zeros with 1 hyphen or 1 dash. It is a short castle, and when there are 3 zeros or O, these are not zeros, they are O basically. So it is called as long castle. This denotes long castle and this denotes short castle. Okay. So now during the questions, question is here: can white castle long, short, or not at all? You have to answer your question in your notebook simply. The clear answer over here is it cannot castle at all because queen is controlling this square in the root of king, and queen is controlling this square also. So king cannot travel at all. Okay, so not at all, cannot castle. Next, see there are the questions will come in a googly form. That means ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या एक डिसीजन लेना है, but you have to observe the board very carefully. Okay, can black castle? Question is, can black castle long, short, or not at all? 3 answers. So you write whichever answer you feel correct in your notebook. Here, this rook is controlling this square. That means this cannot castle this side. This rook is attacking the rook. But as I said, king is more important and not the rook. So black can castle this side short. That is the answer. इराचे बाबा तुमच्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर.
हो सर, करेक्ट. थँक यू.
Okay. Can white castle long? Now the question is very specific. Can white castle long? Yes, can castle because this bishop is controlling this G1. So this is a short castle this side. It cannot do that, but it can go for long castle. Can black castle short? No, not at all, because knight is there. जब तक नाइट मूव नहीं होता तब तक आपको कैसलिंग का चांस ही नहीं मिलेगा. सो द आंसर इज नो. कैन व्हाइट कैसल शॉर्ट? Here short castle means right side always. For white it is right side. And the place G1 is controlled by rook, queen. So white cannot castle short, and this is not a short castle because rook is moved from its original place. So this is the place where it is a long castle place. So this side castling is gone. So the no is the answer. Cannot castle short. Can black castle short?
Yes.
Let everybody decide. Here the answer is very, very clear. No. You know why? यहाँ तो कोई है ही नहीं, यहाँ भी कोई है नहीं. There is no check also. Still I am saying no. In fact, black cannot castle long or short, whatever. Because king
So
is
because
mood. King is mood. King always is in the E square. And here in this diagram, king is already moved and resting on D square, which belongs to queen. So once the king is moved, your purview of castling goes. Right to castle goes. So no is the answer. Riddhi immediately हाँ बोल दिया without looking at the board. Can white castle short? Bishop is guarding F1 or controlling. That means white cannot move. White का king तो एक ही जगह पर है, E पर है, बराबर है. This is also correct. So check तो नहीं है, but it white cannot short castle. Can black castle short? ब्लैक कैन कैसल शॉट, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अटैक तो रूक के ऊपर है और यहाँ पर दिस स्क्वायर इज अंडर अटैक D8. तो ब्लैक कैनॉट गो फॉर लॉन्ग कैसल, बट ब्लैक कैन गो फॉर शॉर्ट कैसल. Can black castle short? Black cannot castle short because queen is guarding this place. So black cannot castle short. Can white castle long? No, because white is under check. तो check में तो castling allowed ही नहीं है. So no. Can white castle long? Yes, white can castle long. Can black castle short? This is the last problem. This is controlling. So Black cannot castle short. Here, one problem they haven't taken, which I will take. Now, in this situation, can white castle? Yes or no? You write the answer, can white castle, yes or no? And then you write which castle, long, yes, or short, yes, or both, yes, or no at all. You have to write everything. Think carefully. I don't know why this thing has not covered in that program. This is very important. This is something different I am showing you. Here, white can castle. That is the answer. First, white can castle. But this is under attack, no relevance. This is also under attack. This is of relevance. So white cannot castle this side. Short. Here, white can castle. See, this is under attack. B1 is under attack. So rook is traveling. But also that is not relevant. As I said, traveling route of king is important. And not the rook. So king can travel here and king can travel here. And this will come over here. Castling can be done. So this square doesn't have any importance at all in long castle. Any doubt so far?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Dev.
sir, why the castling is done?
To safeguard your king. When your king is in a castle or castling is done, it takes more number of moves for your opponent to defeat you. For example, if your opponent is very good and he is defeating you in 10 moves or 15 moves, usually, you do castling in your game, he won't be able to defeat you in 15 moves. He will require more number of moves, more planning is required. So, in a way, you are much safer against him. And chances of you winning against him is more. You understood?
Sir,
Yes.
and after castling, can we give check?
Yes, of course. All other rules continues. Castling is only just a move where you safeguard your king. That's all. Nothing else.
Sir, Ira's father.
Yes, yes.
So one more question. When we used to play with this rule, I